You can make these chickens in any color. These two are after my daughter's chickens, Brownsie and Mixer. They're easy to make if you take it step by step, so let me show you how. For this project, you'll need 10 brown pipe cleaners, 1 yellow pipe cleaner, piece of a red pipe cleaner, fingernail clippers, googly eyes, and thick white craft glue. We'll start by making a frame for the body. Hold 2 pipe cleaners close together and fold them in half, and then fold the whole thing in half again. Curve it slightly like you're making a smile. Take another pipe cleaner and run it through the loops at one end of the body. Give it a twist so it stays in place, and we're just going to leave that alone for now. These will become the tail feathers. Hold another pipe cleaner up against the other end and wrap it around the body. One coil right next to the last. Wrap tighter around the head and tail area and looser around the chest. You want to get more bulk in the chest area and less on both ends. Start a new pipe cleaner and make a head, and then move down the neck area and tuck in the end. Now fill in the rest of the chicken's body with 2 or 3 more pipe cleaners, making sure to get all of those loose ends inside the coils and making it a little thicker in the chest and belly area. Make sure that you tuck in all the ends so that nothing comes loose. When the body is finished, cut 2/3 of another brown pipe cleaner for the wings. Insert this piece of pipe cleaner in through the body at the top of the chest area. Make sure equal amounts are on both sides, and then coil down one end, just a flat circle very tightly up to the body of the chicken. Pinch the end to make a wing shape. Repeat the process to make the other wing. Make the tail feathers by folding the pipe cleaners into teardrop-shaped loops and twisting the ends to hold them in place. You don't want them all to be the same size, so do maybe 1/4 inch to 3/4 of an inch. Once you have those done, tuck in the ends and then twist the whole thing so that it's perpendicular to the body. Cut the yellow pipe cleaner in half and run it through a few of the loops on the underside of the body, about midway. Then take the leftover third of the last brown pipe cleaner and wrap it around the top of each leg. When you're done with the first one, about 3 or 4 coils around, move it over and wrap it around the second one. Then fold the ends of the yellow pipe cleaners into 3 little toes to make the chicken's feet. Cut a small piece of the yellow pipe cleaner and fold it into a beak. Insert it into place, making sure that it's secure. Use a bit of glue if you need to. Now take a bit of red pipe cleaner and fold the comb for the top of the chicken's head. So I'm going to make 3 little zigzags here, the middle one taller than the other 2. Leave a little tail at the end and stick that down into the chicken's head. Again, it should be secure, but if it's not, you can use a little bit of glue. Cut a small piece of red pipe cleaner, bend the end, and stick it into the beak so it's sandwiched between the layers. You can remove it and replace it if that makes it easier. The last step is to glue on some googly eyes. Once they're in place, you're finished. Please subscribe to my channel for more pipe cleaner ideas and other crafts.